I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your input and basic processing. Open Voicemod, pick your real microphone as the input device, and set sample rate to match your system. Once done, enable the built-in noise gate and noise suppression. These are the first filters that reduce hiss and low-level room noise. Make sure gain is reasonable. Too high defeats suppression. You'll set thresholds next, so start with conservative values and listen to the difference as you proceed. Now you tune the middle stage: thresholds, timing, and tonal shaping. You adjust the noise gate threshold so it closes on silence but stays open for speech. Use faster attack and moderate release for natural results. Then apply the equalizer, cut under 80 Hz to remove rumble, notch problem frequencies if sibilance appears, and gently boost presence around 24 kHz. Once you've made changes, monitor in Voicemod and tweak gain, so your voice. Finish by routing Voicemod into your chat or recording app. Choose Voicemod virtual microphone as the input, then run a test call or record a short sample. Listen for artifacts and compare the process track to the dry input to confirm improvement. If background noise still shows, reduce hardware gain, increase suppression gradually, or enable an extra denoiser plugin inside Voicemod. Quick troubleshooting tip: if you hear pumping or distortion, back off the suppression intensity and raise the gate threshold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.